and welcome to Excel Crack video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our automated data entry version 2.0. First, create a table for your data. This will be your working table. To create a table, go to Insert tab. Click Table. Select your headers. Check, my table has headers. Click OK. You can change your table and worksheet name. Now, click the Data Entry Form button, then select only the header columns. Click OK, and Yes to proceed. Let's try some entries. Here, we fill the customer, address, address to, date, and transaction. To save your work, click File and Save, or you can use the hotkeys or shortcut keys Ctrl+S. As you can see, the settings are still on their default properties. In order to change the settings, go to Menu tab, Settings, then Settings head. After modifying your settings, go to File, click Save, and restart the data entry form. The settings head will be further discussed in our next video. However, if you wish to create more detailed entries, create a table to another sheet in order to fill the data grid details. Click File Menu tab, and find Fill Data Grid Details. Choose the table from the new sheet that you created. Finally, the customization of your own form. To customize, just go to Data Entry Designer. In here, you can change controls, size, positions, labels, title, data grid, and user form according to your preferences. And don't forget to save your work. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.